my fault. This is all my fault. My mother warned me. She warned me not to dive too deep into love. But did I listen? No, I didn't. The weight of regret hung heavily on my shoulders. My mother warned me, but I couldn't listen. I threw myself into love. Thinking that love will conquer all. Thinking that love will conquer all. Oh God. The Slovivians of the red flag go waving in front of me. What did I not give? I gave my time. I made sacrifices. But for what? For what? My heartbreak that cut so deep in me just feels like my heart inside me is tearing apart. It's tearing apart. My mother knew this. She saw this coming. And she warned me. She warned me. And now I'm left alone, surrounded by the wreckage of love that promised me the whole world, but delivering nothing but pain. Only pain. Oh God, God. It is a bitter pill to take. Realizing that all my time and sacrifices invested just went for nothing, nothing. But nevertheless, the heartbreak you caused me will not make me lose my mind, because I'm going to mend this heart and preserve it for who truly deserves it.